Nice and golden brown here. You have to be really careful though because it's super hot. But I think I'm just going to try to take a bite of this. Oh, it's so good. Hey guys, it's Lakysha with What's Next, here again in my husband Johnny's kitchen for another quick and easy recipe. This one has a little bit more to it, but it still doesn't take long to make. It's going to be cheeseburger bombs. We start off by making your ground beef, and you do that just normal, however you would make your ground beef with the seasonings that you like. I use some onion powder, garlic powder, and seasoned salt. But again, however you like to, you're going to make a pound of ground beef. And once it's done, you drain it, add a pack of cream cheese, and you'll end up with the consistency that I have here. That cream cheese helps hold it together for the next step that we're going to do. Next, we're going to take the canned biscuits, just the regular size. You don't need the jumbo ones. And you just want to open those up. All right. And we are going to take one at a time. Before I did that, I've got a greased cookie sheet here. I actually put foil over the top because I don't like to have a mess, and put a little bit of the butter spray on there. So have that ready, standing by. But you're gonna take these biscuits and keep them in the circle shape, but we're gonna put them so they're nice and flat, and to make them a little bit bigger. Now I thought about using my rolling pin for this, but I think that's just a little bit of overkill. So I'm just gonna use my fingers, go through, and as soon as I have it as a nice big circle, I'm gonna do the step that's gonna make all the difference. We're gonna stick some of the burger and cream cheese mix. We're gonna take some shredded sharp cheddar, and I'm gonna stick it right on top here. Make sure you cover it real good. And then we're gonna take that biscuit and cover all of our mixture with it. So you'll just press it together here. There's no right or wrong. Just kind of make it into a nice ball with that meat and that cream cheese and shredded cheddar inside. And make sure you pinch it so it stays closed. So if you can see it here, this is gonna be our bomb in the end. So we're gonna take that, place it on our baking sheet, and then we'll do the rest of these. I've got a can of 8 biscuits, I believe it is. We'll do those, and then we will come back for the next step. All right, so we're back, and just to take you back through the steps that we did prior to our break, I took ground beef, cooked it like normal with the normal seasonings. I drained it, added 1 pack of cream cheese, mixed it together, and then I started with this, which is the actual bombs themselves, and these are just a can of biscuits. I flattened them out, put the mixture of the meat and the cream cheese inside, added some shredded sharp cheddar, rolled them up, and this is what we get. Now I preheated my oven to 375, and I'm going to just put a little bit of topping on these before I put them in the oven. And this is melted butter with minced garlic and Parmesan, grated Parmesan cheese. So let me go ahead and add some of that to the top of these. It smells really, really good. And then once I do this, we're gonna place them into the oven for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Again, it's always gonna depend on your oven and how the heat is for it, but 20 to 25 minutes at 375 is what we're going to plan on, and then check them to see if they have browned up nice for the way biscuits should end up. So let's go ahead and put this in, and I will see you back for the next step. So we've got them out of the oven after about 30 minutes. I put a little bit more of the Parmesan garlic butter on top and added a little bit of the chopped parsley. So I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these. You see how easy they are to remove after you use that foil. But it's nice and golden brown here. You have to be really careful though because it's super hot. But I think I'm just gonna try to take a bite of this. it's so good. You got that biscuit flavor, but then you have that cream cheese and that ground beef, and you have the shredded cheddar cheese inside too. It's like a little yummy cheeseburger pocket. So you have lots of options as far as the cheeses that you can use and the seasonings and the ground beef, but this turned out exactly how I think it should be. So another success, quick and easy, cheeseburger bombs. I'm Lakysha with What's Next, and we'll see you next time.
Cooking up a quick one, easy meals in Johnny's kitchen. Cooking up a quick one.